Oh, hi.
Well, hello there.
What are you?
I'm a water drop,
Drop? Well, what are water drops doing waiting here?
waiting on the water cycle.
The water cycle?
You don't know about the water cycle? Let me tell you all about it. So the first thing you've got to understand is that water is always changing. When the air gets warm, it makes the water drops get hot and evaporate into the sky. And then, once enough water drops are evaporated, we condense into clouds. That's right. All clouds are made out of hundreds and millions of little water drops. But you gotta watch out. Once those clouds get too heavy, the water drops fall back out of the sky. When it rains, that's called precipitation. And then all the little raindrops fall out of the clouds. The rain lands on all sorts of things like mountains, rivers, the land. We help the flowers grow and give you something yummy to drink. We evaporate, condensate, precipitate, and that's the water cycle.
Wow, that's really interesting.
I used to be inside a shooting star. I used to be the ocean.
I used to be Poo Poo.
What?
It's true. Water's been inside of everything.
On that note, I'm gonna go.
Okay, well, you have a nice day, miss. Be sure to drink some nice cold ice water on this hot summer day.